Hi everyone. Yep. Because I'm awesome like that. Yeah. Invite me to your faction. I can't teleport into your land since I'm not in your faction. If... Okay. DPA Blockkrasher28. Sorry no video yesterday. I was incredibly busy Friday and Saturday. For all my viewers out there. Oh. I know. I'm a fudging mercenary. I leave factions, I join factions. Just can't stay with one. What? That's cool. I hit 5 subscribers. I have 5 subscribers. We're gaining slowly but surely. Then again, your channel's been out a lot longer, so can you blame me? Nope. But you have to admit, TreasureWars has been getting views on my channel. And you're uploading your first video today. Oh, I haven't checked YouTube yet. I've just been trying to get into a faction. I also got a new texture pack for everyone. It's pretty cool. PvP texture pack. Though I don't like the ender pearl design. It's a flappy bird. It's a flappy bird. Look. Flappy bird. Ender pearl. I just showed everyone. Oh, I could have left that like that. I'm in champion right now. I have tons of diamond. I'm just not wearing it. I have like 5 sets of diamond armor. I'm just not wearing it. I'm just wearing my daily champion. And I can fix gear for free. Just in case you're wondering. Sorry if my I just bought it because I can. And I'm expecting this series to go on for a while on my channel, so I thought we might as well do it. Get Super Breaker going, God. Level 49 on mining. I need to fix my pickaxe. I have obsidian. You need some obsidian? Oh wait, I need to set my home here. Slash sit home blip. Dude, I'm a fudging mercenary. I'm not in a faction right now. Seriously. I had a fight with the owner. He doesn't like me anymore, so he kicked me out. But I have my home set there. So I'm gonna raid their cow spawners eventually. Okay. Blop. Blop, blop, blop. Blop, blop, blop. And then... Blop, 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 blop. This is a simple spider grinder. Okay. It's 9:30 in the morning. Oh, yippee. Blop, blop, blop. Yeah, 'cause yours isn't the greatest in the world. Well, kind of. Your faction has a certain amount of power, and that power limits how much land you can claim. I just do F who, then your faction name. Tells you your faction and how much land you have claimed. Yeah. How big does this need to be again? As far as the bucket reaches, I think. I need signs. I have wood. I'll be fine. But I need water buckets. Search. Delish. From awesome person? Oh. Is it a weird text? I might be taking the bus. My parents are still deciding. I have so much iron. I never need to go mining again. I have 32 blocks of iron. Not like you really need to mine iron. You can just buy it. I'm pretty sure you can sell string. I'm going on vacay in like 2 days. So, yeah. No, I'm not releasing. It's a vacay. I'm not recording for it. But then after that, we're going ham on Treasure Wars. I got things planned. I think that's big enough. I don't quite know. Treasure Wars pretty much is faction, just with different stuff. Bosses, runes. It's more of a mythical kind of factions. So many factions I've been in that are talking in the chat. Well, I only leave the faction because they go downhill so fast. Like Houdini, they get raided, they lost everything, and they're just going downhill. I really like this texture pack. We're running at 10 minutes. This one actually doesn't lag that bad. Like, stupid mining. Stop giving me double drops on cobble. Super Breaker! No, Super Breaker lags your game. Oh, and wrecks your pick. I have tons of diamonds picks. 159. Swords, I'm level 60. Swords, I'm level 60. Bow, I'm level 70. I've been grinding MCMMO. I do a lot of off-camera. I just grind stuff for money. I bought 2... Ow. You made it big. I'm not gonna steal. Huh? You can't claim chests. That's why you have to protect your base, so they can't get in. Or else they can lose. But they can't break spawners. They either have to creeper egg it or TNT it. You have a vault? Oh, I think every player does. But if you get a rank, you get like 6 vaults. Oh well. How many rows do you have in it? Yeah. A full vault. So I have 6 of those. My first one's my armor vault. My second one's my tool vault. My third one's my material vault. Fourth one's my potion vault. Fifth one's my rune vault. I have a lot of runes. And 6 is just my dump stuff. That's also where I keep spawners. And don't worry, I didn't get rid of your cave spider spawner. Did someone buy that? Nice. I gave you all my diamonds. / sell. How much will people buy a pig spawner? God. In donor, you also get /feed and /near and a bunch of other stuff I can't remember. It's the morning, I don't think right. I don't really use it that often though. /fix, that's a big one. I need water buckets. I won't. Well, I need to, but I'll do that in the afternoon. I know, like, I keep telling everyone, we're trying to get Big JF on this thing. He's just annoying. He's just too lazy to get on. I need buckets. Bucket. Can you buy buckets? Do I even have any buckets? Oh. Sayonara.